So this is the final update on this bathroom renovation, the one with one door changing into two doors. The bathroom's complete. The last time we were here, everything was in except for a light fixture above the vanity and a mirror above the vanity. And then we just need to kind of pretty it up. So let's go see what it looks like now. So we finished this bathroom. It was a really fast turnaround time. We needed to get 2 entrances, and now we do have 2 entrances. So this here is the very first entrance, or the existing entrance. So that leads to a bedroom in there. So there was a bedroom and a walk-in closet, and then this bathroom here. And that was great for that person in that bedroom, but it's not so great for the other person in the other bedroom on this floor. So that person would have had to come around through the hallway, around into that bedroom over here, and come through to get into this bathroom, which is really awkward. There is a master suite upstairs, but this sort of little mini master suite was not working out. So we needed to add a second entrance, and we did that right here. So that entrance now goes into the hallway, and the other bedroom is at the end of the hallway. And so now there's 2 entrances into one bathroom, and it's much more family friendly. So I hope you enjoyed the update on this mini project that we were working on. The bathroom is complete and the client is super happy, and we get to move on to another project. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and make sure you hit that notification bell, because you never know when there'll be a new video uploaded to the channel. Every Fridays for sure, but every once in a while we like to give out a little bonus video. So thanks for watching, everybody, and happy renovating.